Steve said a little tip that I'm gonna share with you guys. It's something I talked about like weeks and weeks ago. He was at a track event and he was going to put air in his tires, and he had the little rubber valve stems. And when he went to put air in, he could hear a little bit of hiss. So there happened to be somebody that was doing tire changes there, and he went over and he had them install a steel valve stem. Really important. Rubber valve stems can leak. Steel valve stems are what all race wheels get. And he switched over to steel stem, which they kind of screw down with a nut, which keeps them nice and tight so they don't leak air. And he liked that so much, he got all the rest of his tires with the steel valve stems. And if you can, always put nitrogen in your tires. We talked about that. You get much better tire temperatures and pressure. They stay more consistent. You don't have to worry about how much air vapor is in there and kind of screwing up with your expansion. So that's a big tip. Now, here's the other part of that. That also becomes part of your nut and bolt check. Is you get a deep well socket and just kind of slide it on there and just make sure that nut's tight. Because like everything else, I mean, track cars, race cars, there is a tremendous amount of vibration. And vibration makes things loosen up. And that's why we do nut and bolt checks. I mean, anybody that really does nut and bolt checks finds out that, yeah, things do loosen up. I mean, it's just the nature of the beast. No matter how good you think it's on there, something's going to loosen up. That's just the way